What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be putting some suspension mods and new wheels and tires on this New Edge GT I got. It's a 01 GT. You see I got these 7-spoke XXRs on it from my Accord over here. I got some new wheels for the Accord too. I'm going to be making some videos on this car too, if you guys like Hondas. Got some turbo stuff over there I'm going to be putting on it. These wheels don't look too bad from the side, but as you can see, they stick in the wheel well quite a bit, and it's pretty ugly. So I got these new wheels staggered, new control arms, lug nuts. The rears are 315s, the fronts are 275s. So to get these 315s on there, you got to take the quad shocks off the rear end, and then people usually just upgrade the control arms to prevent wheel hop, which is what the quad shocks really do. But some people still have wheel hop, so we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, I'm gonna get you on the tripod and get to work. Pretty easy. That was pretty easy. That's our size. One down. I guess that one's got a nut on the top we gotta get to from the inside. my GoPro died doing the other side, so I went and put it on charge and finished the other side. So let's get this one going. With any suspension, it's general rule of thumb to tighten everything in the resting position. So with everything loaded with spring weight. So basically just put everything in hand tight, and then once you lower it down to the ground, then you want to tighten everything up. Sorry if I'm blocking your view a little bit. For this lower control arm on the bottom, the best way I've found to do it is to put a jack on the arm itself. And then just jack it up into place. Pretty close. See if we can get the bolt in there. There we go. I'm gonna install the sway bar last when everything's put together, as I'm tightening everything down where it's supposed to be. I don't know how good y'all will be able to see this upper arm. The upper one's way easier than the lower one. After you break it loose, you need something to hold the nut on the back side. to jack the axle up to get some of the pressure off of it so you can get the bolts out easier. And so the new one will line up easier. You want to get that axle kind of level. Bolt should come right out. Beautiful. There you go. Place pretty good. Feel all good. So now when everything's in place but not tightened yet, you're going to want to put the spring in place and then jack this side of the axle up to get the spring in position. I do have lowering springs, so this might be a little harder if you have the factory springs on it. Get that in position. And then jack the axle up.